Welcome to Learn with Lili. Today we are starting with your Log on to Computers for Class 4, Chapter 3. And the name of the chapter is Formatting in Word 2019. So, after reading the story carefully, we will answer these questions. Question number 1. List the spelling errors and write their correct spellings. So whatever word underlined in red we will write, and we will write the correct spellings of them. And question number 2. In your opinion, why should we not send a document containing misspelled words to someone? Because spelling errors is not pleasing and eye-catching also. So, now, formatting a Word document. You know that Word is extensively used in various places such as media, publishing houses, newspapers, storybooks, textbooks, offices, and schools. People use word processing programs such as Microsoft Word to create anything that require text such as letters, reports, articles, and official documents. In the previous class, we studied about how to create, open, and save the document and some important editing skills. Now, let us explore some basic formatting features to make your document more appealing. Before moving forward with the formatting features, let us quickly revise the basic editing features of a word processor. Insert text. You can insert text anywhere in the document. Delete text. You can erase characters, words, lines, or pages as easily as you cross them out on paper. Cut and paste. You can move the selected text anywhere in the document using this option. Copy and paste. You can make duplicate copy of the selected text and place anywhere else in the document using this option. Spell check. You can check spellings and grammatical errors in your document using this option. Find and replace. You can find a word in the document and replace it with the desired text using this option. And print. You can obtain hard copy of your document by printing a document on paper. Formatting a document means changing the appearance and arrangement of a document so that it gives a professional look to your document and makes it presentable. When you create a document, you want some words to catch the eye of the reader and highlight the important points in your textbook by underlining with a pencil. In Word, the font group under Home tab contains different tools to format the text. Let us study these features in detail. Text or character formatting refers to formatting characters and words within a document. It focuses on the appearance of an individual character or word. It takes into consideration the font type, font style, font size, font color, and other characteristics. Smart Bite. Fonts play an important role while formatting a document. Sometimes, the reader does not have time to read a document word by word. Then, fonts help focus on the most important parts of the document. As you can see, this is the font group under the Home tab in the Word. Changing font, font size, and font color. The font group located in the Home tab provides us various options to select different font effects. It involves changing the font, that is, changing the writing style of a text, changing the font size, that is, changing the size of the text, and changing the font color, that is, changing the color of the text. Applying different types of font. To make changes in the type of the font, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the text or characters which you want to format. Step number 2. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font field in the font group of the Home tab. A drop-down menu showing a list of fonts opens. Step 3. Select the desired font. The selected text changes to the chosen font. Now, applying different font size. To make changes in the size of the text, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the text or characters which you want to format. Step 2. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font size field in the font group of the Home tab. A drop-down menu opens showing different font sizes. And step 3. Select the desired font size. The selected text changes to the chosen font size. As you can see, this is the applying different font sizes. Smart Bite. You may also increase and decrease the font by one size by clicking on the button and button respectively. You may also go for following keyboard shortcuts to do so. To increase the font, press Shift plus Ctrl together, and also to decrease, you will do these keys together. Applying different font colors. To make changes in the color of the text, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the text or characters which you want to format. 2. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the font color field in the font group of the Home tab. A color palette opens on the screen. And 3. Select the desired color. The selected text appears in the selected font color. This is applying different font color. And now, Fact Bite. In Word 2019, Calibri Body is the default font type, and some keyboard shortcuts to apply text effects are changing font type, Ctrl plus Shift plus F, and changing font size, Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Now, highlighting text with color. You must have used a color highlighter to color a particular word or some text in your notebook. MS Word also provides a tool for highlighting the text with any desired color. The steps to highlight text with color are as follows. 1. Select the text which you want to highlight. 2. Click on the text highlight color option. In the font group on the Home tab, a color palette showing different options of colors to highlight text opens. And 3. Click on the desired color. The selected text gets highlighted in the chosen color. As you can see, text highlight color palette. Now, making the text bold, italics, and underline. After a document is created, the headings and subheadings can be highlighted by selecting the bold option. In addition, you may also highlight a particular word or text within a document by typing in an italic or underlining it. Bold. The text appears to be heavy and dark as compared to rest of the words. Italic text appears slanted towards the right, and underlined text appears with an underline beneath the word or selected text. Bold, italic, and underline are also called toggle buttons. Follow the steps given below to make the text bold, italic, and underline. 1. Select the word or text that you want to change to a bold font or italic or underline. 2. To convert the text in bold, click on the bold option in the font group in the Home tab, or italics, click on the italic option in the font group in the Home tab, and underline, click on the underline option in the font group in the Home tab. This is important. Follow the keyboard shortcuts as given below. Bold, Ctrl plus B, italic, Control plus I, and underline, Control plus U. Now, fact bite. If you click on the down arrow key next to the underline button, it will give you different styles to underline your text. Checkpoint. Match the following. Italicize certain parts of text in a document. It is B. Underline important points in a page. It is D. Highlight the font color of a character or word. It is E. Make the headings and subheadings of a chapter bold. It is A. And increase the size of heading of the chapter. It is C. Changing case. The change case option allows you to change the case of the sentence or a paragraph without rewriting it. To change the font size, follow the step given below. Font case. 1. Select the text of which you would like to change the case. 2. Click on the drop-down arrow near the Change Case button in the Font group in the Home tab. A list of options appears as shown in Figure 8. And 3. Select the desired option from the drop-down list. The options under the Change Case features are as follows. So, you can see sentence case that the first character of every sentence is capitalized, for example, class 4. Then next is lowercase, converts the selected text to lowercase, as you can see the example. Uppercase converts the selected text into uppercase. Capitalize each word, change the first character of each selected word to uppercase. And toggle case converts the case of every selected character in the reverse manner. For example, a capital character changes to the lowercase and vice versa. Now, fact bite. The superscript option in the font group allows to write the selected text at a level above the normal text, and the subscript option in the font group allows to make the selected text written at a level below the normal text. Paragraph formatting. The paragraph formatting involves the change in the layout of the text and editing the overall presentation of the document. Different tools for paragraph formatting are present in the paragraph group of Home tab. Here, we will study only a few features of the paragraph group. So this is the paragraph group in the Home tab. Text alignment. Aligning the text or paragraph determines how text is arranged between the left and right margins. Word provides 4 types of text alignment options. These are align left, center, align right, and justify. Now, align left, this is the default alignment in Word. It types each line in the paragraph along the left margin of the document. For center, it aligns the text in the center between the left and right margins. Align right, it types each line in the paragraph along the right margin of the document. And justify, it types each line in the paragraph along both the left and right margins. This is mostly used in books, newspapers, and magazines for setting the spacing between the columns. So as you can see, this is align left, this is center, this is align right, and this is justify. To align text using the alignment options, select the text or the paragraph that you would like to align next. Click on the Align Left, Center, Align Right, or Justify option in the Paragraph group of the Home tab. You may also align paragraph using the Paragraph dialog box. To open the Paragraph dialog box, click on the Paragraph Setting Launch button, or select the text and right-click on it. A shortcut menu opens. Select the paragraph options from the menu. And here we have Think Byte. Look at the given options and write the features used to achieve the shown formatting. Number 1 is toggle case, number 2 is font color, number 3 is superscript, number 4 is the highlight color, text highlight color, number 5 is the font, and number 6 is sentence case. Bullets and numbering lists. While making a list of objects or items, it is always convenient to insert numbers or bullets to them. To insert numbers, follow the steps given below. 1. Open the Word document. Make a list of different objects or items. 2. Select the list and click on the drop-down arrow next to the numbering option in the paragraph group of the Home tab. And 3. The numbering library showing different numbering styles appear on the screen. And 4. Select the desired style. The selected lists appear in the chosen numbering style. And inserting bullets. A bullet is a small symbol such as a dot, square, and so on. To insert bullets, follow the steps given below. 1. Open the Word document. Make a list of different objects or items. 2. Select the list and click on the drop-down arrow next to the bullet options in the paragraph group of the Home tab. 3. The recently used bullets menu showing different bullet styles open on the screen. And 4. Select the desired style. The selected list appears in the chosen bullet style. Now next page, the checkpoint. Name the following. 1. Changes the first character of each selected word to uppercase. Capitalize each word. 2. A small symbol such as a dot, square usually used while listing things, bullets. 3. Types each line in the paragraph along both the left and right margins. Justify. 4. Converts the case of every selected character in the reverse manner. Toggle case. And the last one, aligns the text in the center between the left and right margins. It is the center. Printing a document. Once you finish working on your document, you can take a hard copy of the same. The print command in the File tab enables you to print the document. You can see the preview of your document prior to clicking on the Print button. To print your document, the steps are: 1. Click on the File tab on the ribbon. 2. Click on the Print option. The print setting appears on the left and Preview on the right-hand side of the screen. Now you can choose how you want the document to appear on the page. Select a printer that is connected to your computer from the drop-down list. 2. Select the number of copies. And if you only want to print certain pages, you can type a range of pages in the Pages option under Settings. Otherwise, select Print All Pages. Under Print One-Sided drop-down menu, you can select Print on both sides also. Check the collated box if you are printing multiple copies. Click on the Portrait Orientation drop-down menu to select Portrait or Landscape Orientation. Choose the size of paper and margins, and choose how many pages you want on one page. And then click on the Print button. Now recall time. Formatting means changing the appearance of the text in the document. You can change the font, size, color, case, etc. of the text. You can use the toggle button, that is BIU, to highlight and emphasize a block of text. Paragraph formatting adjusts the appearance of text in paragraph. Text presented in the form of paragraph can be formatted using various tools available in the paragraph groups on the Home tab. The appearance of text can be controlled by tools like line spacing, borders, text alignment, bullets, styles of writing, indentations, and etc. To format text, you must first highlight the text by clicking and holding down the mouse button and dragging your cursor over the words, paragraphs, and so on. Now the tech terms. Word processor, a program which helps us to do many things with words, and formatting, it means changing the appearance of the document as per the requirements. Now the practice time. Tick the correct option. 1. Which of these options helps change the color of the font color? 2. Which of these options show the text in small letters, lowercase? The B, I, and U buttons are also called toggle buttons. In center aligned text, each line of the text is equally spaced from the both A and B, means left and right margins. And next one, which of these features is or are usually used in lists? Both A and B, that are bullets and numberings. Now, true and false. Number 1. You cannot change the appearance of a document in Word. False. 2. You can make type text in Word as written in magazine. True. 3. You can only print one copy of a document on one print command. False. 4. You cannot highlight the important points in Word as you do using a highlighter. False. And 5. You have to rewrite the text in Word to change its case. False. C. Write the keyboard shortcuts for the given formatting features. This is Ctrl plus Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus H, Ctrl plus U, Ctrl plus B, and Ctrl plus Shift plus that. Now, the question and answers, we will refer to the notebook. Write in short answers. Number 1. Which features gives us choice for different fonts? Font style features gives us choice for different fonts. Number 2. Which group contains the feature to change the appearance of paragraph? Home tab, paragraph group contains the feature to change the appearance of paragraph. 3. Which feature helps us change the case of the text without rewriting? Change case features help us change the case of the text without rewriting. 4. Which feature helps add numbers to a list? Number list feature helps add numbers to a list. And 5. Which type of alignment helps place the text at equal distance from left and right margins? Align Justify helps place the text at equal distance from left and right margin. Now, short answer and questions. Question number 1. What do you understand by formatting a document? Answer. Formatting means changing the appearance of the text in a document. 2. Write any 2 ways by which we can highlight the text. By using bold, italic, or underline options, you can highlight the text. 3. What is text alignment? Write the different types of text alignment. The text alignment means arranging the text between left and right margins. It's 4 types, and they are align left, center, align right, and justify. And the last question is, what is the difference between sentence case and toggle case? In sentence case, the first character of every sentence is capitalized, whereas in toggle case, the selected characters will be converted into reverse manner. So if you enjoyed my video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.